You ever just like get home from work and just decide that you just want to try something fun because you saw it on, I don't know, Instagram? It's like TikToks or whatever. The like neon trend. I kind of want to try this. So I'm going to do it. I'm just going to take a bunch of this. This is just concealer. But like, it's like white. So I'm hoping that it like works. Also, I don't know what you can see right now because I put my camera up somewhere else, and hopefully you can see me. You can likely see a giant mess of packages, boxes, stuff behind me, but that's okay. It's been a minute since I don't film anymore. It's just not, I don't have the time for it, I'll say. Between like work and everything, it's just, I don't know. It's fun. I still like to come on here every once in a while, but I just can't dedicate myself to multiple videos a week. Okay, I don't know. I just am going off like how I think this works. I googled neon eye makeup, so like looked at a couple pictures. So hopefully this turns out. I want to use the concealer to like do like a eyeliner, I guess, and then hopefully it works. I've already got mascara on because I wore that to work today, but I'm just gonna try to put, I guess, a thick line because it started out pretty thick. All the way across. And like I said, this is like white, so hopefully what I'm gonna do works. Otherwise I'm gonna look pretty silly. Or I guess, I don't know, didn't Rihanna, or not Rihanna, Ariana Grande or Lady Gaga do white eyeliner? Maybe it won't look too bad. Okay, so like, how do they do it? They like do a up here. I feel like that needs to be thicker. I don't know how precise you have to be. Okay, and then I tried to do this in a different video. I don't think I posted that video because I just didn't like it. I posted a picture of what it turned out as on Instagram though. It was like yellow and blue makeup. Okay, so I don't know. They usually just do like random stuff. I feel like I want to bring this up higher. And then just like, I don't know, cut across part way here maybe. Yep, sure, why not? Okay. And it is so windy outside right now. Okay, it's April 21st, by the way. So like when I film, if I film, I always post it like within a day or two. So it's probably the 22nd when you're seeing this. If you're watching it, come out. There's an actual storm happening outside my house right now. You probably can't hear the wind over the fan, but it's intense and it's raining. Excuse me. This is probably so boring, but every time I try something new, I figure I might as well try it out on here and see how it goes. Because if I make a mistake and I can laugh at myself, then at least everybody can laugh along with me. Okay. My eyes have like tons of wrinkles. Just gonna say that. Because I sleep on my face and my skin pulls, so yeah, just don't sleep on your face or you'll end up looking like me. It's hard to like get straight lines with all the wrinkles. Okay, let's see. It goes to like, my eyebrows are different, so this part's difficult. Like here. And then two up here. That got real thick. She's thick. we'll thicken that one up. Okay. So I think that's it. I don't know if you have to like let this dry. I don't want this video to be too, no, I think you would put it on wet. So I opened up a BoxyCharm box without you guys because when it came, it was wet, so something had broken inside again. So I just opened it to try to save everything else. So I got this Ace, I don't know if it's Ace Beauty, I think it's Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. So I was thinking of doing Picnic or Flip Flops, which is this pink or this purple. I think I'm gonna try, I'm just gonna use an angled brush and see if that works. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna do this brush. This might work better. I'm gonna do Picnic, which is the pink. Hopefully this works. If not, then I know not to try it again. But it looks really cool if you can get it to work. Okay, so mine's gonna be messy. It's not gonna be perfect. I'm just like dabbing it on because I don't want to brush it and then like ruin the, not that it's beautiful to begin with, but okay, and I think I'm just gonna try to close my eye. I have to do like a, I'll probably film another video after this just because I have a million packages from last year. Oh, that turned out thick there. That I just haven't opened yet. So we might as well find out what's in them together. And I saw, I mean, a couple people do videos like that, so I'll do that too. Okay, it looks better with a second layer. So I need to get in here. I need a smaller brush though, because right in there, it's not picking it up. You guys probably can't see a thing. Okay. I'm liking it. I'm liking it, you guys. I feel like this is actually super cute. I'm happy with this. I mean, it doesn't look finished. I need to like do something to my face right now. Okay. I'm just gonna grab, I don't have any blush or anything on my face right now, so I'm just gonna grab some. What color is this? It's a little dark. This one's more fun. This one's, most of the makeup on my face right now is from AOA, but not that Ace Beauty or whatever. Okay. I just need to add some color to the rest of my face since I didn't do that yet. I usually when I go to work, I work at a construction site, you guys. I don't wear a full face of makeup, I'm gonna be honest. I just don't. I wear mascara and eyebrows because I feel like well, to be honest, I went to work, what, like a week and a half ago, and I didn't put on mascara and eyebrows. And one of the guys, the first guy walks into the trailer and he's like, oh, are you feeling sick today? You look a little tired. And I was like, okay, well, gonna have to make sure that I remember to wear makeup because apparently I look sick and tired if I'm not wearing it. They're moving me to a different office, like to the actual head office instead of at site in a few weeks, so that'll be different. Then I'll wear makeup, excuse me, and get dressed up and stuff throughout the day. Okay. Sorry, I get distracted when I'm doing my makeup. I feel like it needs pink, right? I don't, oh, this one, okay. It might be dark. Also, I should probably like do a lip scrub, but I'm not going to because this has probably already been like 20 minutes. 13, not bad. Okay, still not doing a lip scrub. I'm just gonna put on this, which I always thought was Moschino. I'm pretty sure now it's Moschino. Not now, it's always been that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I'm not gonna do lip liner because I don't feel like it. I should. I have one that's like this color, but I almost swore. I'll do it real quick. It's Annabelle. Hopefully it's like, it's super old. I'll be honest. I don't throw my makeup out. You guys probably know that already, but I want to overline my lips a little bit here. Whatever. This is so dry. Anyways. Okay. This is called Power. This is like out of that. It's like, looks like a marker. And then the eyeshadow palette looks like a laptop. The highlighters are like actual highlighters. I like how this doesn't match at all. Like the liner. I want to do like, honestly, it's probably not content anybody wants to watch, but I just want to do like videos where I just like come on and just like chat, or like almost like talk to myself, like just have a conversation with myself, if you know what I mean. Those don't match at all. I look like the Queen of Hearts. I went way too far. Took it way too far. I just need to like... Y'all are about to see my lips grow with 2 sizes. Okay. Sorry, it's always so awkward when I'm silent. Do I look like a clown yet, darling? Okay. Okay. I'm keeping it. Yeah, so that's the finished look. Honestly, you guys should try this. It's kind of fun. This one looks a little bit worse, but that's okay. Yeah, the right eye turned out really nice, in my opinion. There, that's better. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It actually works. It looks neon, so like try it. Like, looks like fun. Looks like fun. Was fun. Try it out. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of it. I don't know. I'm gonna try to keep posting. When I first started this, I was like, oh my god, I want to like have a channel and just like be a YouTuber, like not like actual YouTuber, but you know what I mean. And now it's just like a lot of effort, but it's still fun. Sorry, that probably sounds so weird. Anyways, oh, don't do it so high because then it does what mine did. Lesson learned. Okay. Yeah. Like this video if you enjoyed the content. You can subscribe if you like want to like chill with me and like just watch me have conversations with myself. And yeah, leave me a comment so that I can have conversations with you too. Okay, I think I've had enough for today. The storm ended and I am going to say goodbye. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.